Hey Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is a case that's used for iPhone 14 Pro Max. And we see for the one that we got right here from this brand. But first I'm going to open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. So when you guys first open up, and we see the product is honestly wrapped up. But let's take out the wrapper first. So right here we see they do probably got the warranty card. And we got to take out the case. Right here is basically what the case looks like. So you see for the color that we do have right here is a black color. They do have this available in a few other colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But you see for the back part right here, they do have the opening for the lens. And right here they do have an option for you to use it as a stand. So if I do open up, that is basically what the stand option looks like if you guys want to use it. So you basically have the option to use it like that, or you can use it like this. So that way if you guys want to use a stand option to watch video or something while you guys are doing something else at the same time, you do have the option available. And then once you got it done, you can push back in and basically fold that inside right there, which is pretty cool. And when you guys do feel the material that's on here, it definitely feels pretty nice. It does have like this silicone material that's on here, which I believe is also anti-fingerprint and scratch resistant. But definitely when you guys do feel the material that's on here, it feels really soft and very smooth, kind of like a silk material. And if you look at this part right here, it's just raised up just a little bit to give you guys that protection, which is pretty nice. But right here inside we do have the button. Same thing for our side right here. And also for the bottom part right here as well. And when you guys look at the inside right here, they do have this microfiber lining. That way when you guys do put your phone on here, it will definitely give you guys that protection for the back of your phone. And if you guys look really carefully in the interior of the case, they do have this airbag technology with a silicone material. So that way if you guys actually drop your case or your phone, you definitely will have that protection on here. So that is basically what the case looks like. Now let's put our phone on to show you guys what it looks like together. So once you guys put it on, here is basically what the case looks like with the phone on. So when you guys look from the side, it's definitely raised up a little bit to give you guys that protection. Same thing for the front part right here. It's raised up just a little bit to give you guys that protection as well. But right here we do have this side. Here is the other side. And then right here we do have the bottom. So if you guys use the stand option of the phone on, this is basically what the product looks like. And if you guys turn the other way, that is basically what the product looks like in that angle. And when you guys do feel the material that's on here, it definitely feels pretty nice. Like I mentioned, it feels really soft and very smooth. But it does give you guys that non-slip material on here to give you guys a good grip when you guys do use it. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to get unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not that's worth it or not. So for this case, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality case that's used for an iPhone 14 Pro Max. That basically give you guys that silicone material that's on here and also a kickstand option. That I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously if I told you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.